If you want to clone WhatsApp on a Google Pixel 10a, then in that case, unfortunately, there is no option or a button that would simply allow you to create a cloned version of the WhatsApp Messenger app. But there is an alternative that we can use in order to duplicate the app. We need to open Settings, then over here proceed to Security and Privacy, and then we need to create the private space. So once we go to the private space in here, you will have to set it up. So tap on Set Up. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. Now over here we need to tap on Got It in order to be able to use a Google account, and you will see a sign-in page to a Google account, so you can decide which Google account you want to use inside that private space, because the private space is like a separate environment that is separated from everything else that you have inside the phone, and this allows you to create separate data and duplicate apps on your phone. So in my case, I have signed into my account. We need to select that we will be using this device over here. We need to agree to Google Terms of Service. And now let's wait again. Then we need to choose the password for the private space. Now you can create a new separate password just for the private space, or you can use the same password that you use for the screen locks for your phone. Now, since I want to keep it simple, I just care about duplicating WhatsApp, not really protecting it with a separate password. I'm just gonna choose to use the screen lock, but feel free to set up a new password just for the private space if that's what you care about. Once we are all set, we're gonna tap on Done, and the private space can be found here at the bottom of the app drawer. We need to tap on this lock in order to unlock the access to the private space, and there we go. Now we can install the WhatsApp Messenger app inside the private space, and everything that you do inside the private space, it stays in that private space, so it doesn't like mess anything with any of these apps that you have outside of the private space. So we're gonna tap on the Add button in here. We're gonna choose Install Apps. Now let's tap on No Thanks in here, and we need to simply search for the WhatsApp. There we go. We need to install the app in here, and once it is installed, you should be able to open it straight away. And if you go back to the app drawer, you will see that we have WhatsApp here and also here. These two apps are separated. You can pretty much treat it as like a cloned version or something. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe